Step 1 is to choose an affiliate product. Step 2 is to get your affiliate link. Step 3 is to quickly and easily create a short video. Step 4 is to post your video here. Step 5 is to get a ton of free views and clicks on your affiliate link. And step 6 is to get paid on complete autopilot. In today's video, I'll be explaining to you what WarriorPlus is, how the website works, and how you can use this website to earn a lot of money on complete autopilot, no matter where you are in the world or what experience level you are at. Thousands of people are making a lot of money from this method, and literally anyone can do this. I will be showing you a free traffic method at the end of this video, so make sure you watch until the very end. So for the first step, I'd like you to head over to WarriorPlus.com. If you are someone who is unfamiliar with this website, it's essentially an affiliate marketplace, which means it has thousands of different affiliate products that you can promote and earn commissions with. When you select a product that you'd like to promote, you'll receive an affiliate link that you will share to people online. Whenever someone clicks on your affiliate link and purchases the product through your link, you will receive a commission. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most accessible money-making strategies that you can take advantage of nowadays. It's also one of the best ways to make a ton of money online. And the best part of all is that it will generate passive income once you set everything up. This essentially means that you can set this system up and get paid while you sleep. But in order to be able to generate passive income through this process, you will need to set this system up correctly. So it's very important that you watch every part of this video all the way until the end so you know exactly what you need to do. So the first thing you'll need to do on WarriorPlus is click on this button that says Sign Up Free to quickly create your free account. When you click on that, you'll be redirected to this page where you will want to enter a username, password, your email address, and then check this box saying that you're not a robot, and then click this button that says Create an Account. You will then want to verify your account. A verification link will be sent to the email address that you used to create your account. You'll just open that email and click on the link that they provide to verify your account. After you've done that, this is what your account should look like. The next step will be to select a niche that you want to focus on. To pick a niche, what you'll need to do is hover over a marketplace and then click on categories. You can select any one of these niches you want. It doesn't really matter which one you select. As long as there is demand for whatever you are promoting, your decision won't matter. I'll just select the affiliate marketing niche as an example for this video. After you've selected your niche, you will then want to access the marketplace itself. Once you've done that, you'll just want to hover over affiliate here and then click on offers. After you've clicked that, you'll then see all these different offers and all of the related info for each offer. To find products that are in your niche, you want to click this button right here and then select your niche. Next is a very crucial step. You want to select a product that a lot of people are purchasing and has a high conversion rate. This means that it's a lot more likely that you'll be able to make more money. So the information that they provide for each product is rather important as well, which I'll go over right now. They show the release date for each product, and you want to select a product that isn't too old, as it is more likely that it won't be as in demand. Next is the sales. You don't want to promote a product that hasn't gotten that many sales. This is a clear sign that it's not selling well for whatever reason, which means that you don't want to put any time or energy into selling it either. And then conv rate right here stands for conversion rate. This essentially means that the percentage of people who visited the sales page for the product and purchased is what the conversion rate is. So you want to make sure that you promote something that has a conversion rate that's higher than 10%. The higher the conversion rate, the more sales you'll get for every person who clicks on your affiliate link and views your affiliate product. And then next to that, we have the visitor value. This is the total revenue divided by the number of clicks. So let's say an offer receives 1,000 views and earns $1,000. Then the visitor value will be $1. And then for average sale, that will determine how much money you'll be able to make per sale. And then the refund rate will show you what percentage of people are requesting a refund on the product that they purchased. This will give you good insight as to whether the product is satisfactory for people or not. You usually want this to be under 5%. So now you have an understanding of what all this means. You can go ahead and choose a product that you'd like to start promoting. And when you choose an affiliate product, you'll have to request approval to sell it. When you are requesting approval, you'll need to write in this box something along the lines of, I am an experienced affiliate marketer and I will get a lot of purchases for your product. You'll then wait to get accepted from the seller. Usually you won't have any issues with this, but every now and then you might get rejected by the seller. And that's totally fine. You can just select a different product and repeat this process. Once you've been accepted, you will then receive your affiliate link. Next, I want to show you how you can get free traffic and clicks on your affiliate link and get paid. But before I do, make sure you subscribe to this channel to learn about more great ways to make money online. So there are a bunch of different ways that you can get free traffic, and lots of it. There are several different platforms that you can use that are very viable and completely free. There's Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and more. In my opinion, TikTok is the best one to use as you have the best chance at getting a ton of views and potentially going viral. What you're going to do is create an account in your niche on TikTok. So since I'm in the affiliate marketing niche, I will create a Make Money Online account like this one here. Or I could just create an affiliate marketing page. Either one works. After you've created your account, you will want to add a description and a call to action in your bio, and include your affiliate link in there as well. This is where you will be promoting your affiliate product that people will click on and buy so you can get paid. So in my case, I could write something like, check out the best affiliate marketing guide. Now next, you'll just need to start posting on your account so you can set this up on Autopilot. In order to create an Instagram post, you can head over to this website called canva.com, which is completely free to use. All you need to do is search Instagram posts and then either select a template or a blank template. If you are unsure of what to post, just search up other accounts that are in your niche on TikTok or Instagram and gain inspiration and see what they are posting. Posting once every few days or at least once a week is sufficient. But the most important part is to be consistent. To get photos or videos to use to post on your TikTok account, if you don't want to post videos of yourself, you can head over to this website called pexels.com and download free photos and videos that you can use that are copyright free. You can just search any related keywords in your niche to find photos and videos. When you download any photos or videos on here, you can then upload them to Canva and edit them to create your own video to then post on your social media account. While this is a great way to make money online, the best in my opinion to make money online is by running YouTube channels just like this. When it comes to running YouTube channels, you can learn through trial and error, or you can learn from the best step-by-step program that's out there. You can receive mentoring and all the support and help you need to do this the right way over the next 90 days. If that's something you're interested in, check out the link in the video description below to get the best deal on my absolute favorite YouTube course. It's taught me everything I need to know on YouTube, so check that out if you're interested. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to learn about another way to make money online, check out this video right here.